What is snail mucin for skin? Some of you may not have heard of it before, and it may sound odd, but it's a game changer for your skin. Imagine a snail moving slowly but carrying a gem that can rejuvenate your skin like never before.
Amazing, right? But what makes this sticky substance from nature's little creature make waves in the beauty industry? And why has it captured the interest of skincare enthusiasts around the world? Well, let's find out. In this video, we'll explain what snail mucin is, the benefits it can give to our skin, and how to incorporate it into our skincare routine.
But first, what exactly is snail mucin? Snail mucin is a natural substance secreted by snails to protect and heal their delicate skin. Surprisingly, this gooey secretion is packed with a powerhouse of skincare benefits that can work wonders for our skin. Yes, you heard that right. These little garden-dwelling creatures have a miraculous secret that can work wonders on our skin. Snail mucin is rich in essential nutrients like hyaluronic acid, glycoproteins, peptides, and antioxidants, making it a skincare powerhouse. Now, to better understand these nutrients, let us explain them further to you.
Hyaluronic acid is a naturally occurring substance in our skin that plays a crucial role in maintaining moisture and hydration levels. It acts as a humectant, which means it can attract and retain water molecules, helping to keep the skin plump, supple, and well hydrated. This intense hydration not only improves the skin's texture and appearance but also helps to reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles, making it an essential ingredient in anti-aging skincare products.
Glycoproteins are a combination of proteins and carbohydrates found in snail mucin. These compounds have multiple benefits for the skin. One of their key roles is promoting cell communication and signaling, which aid in the skin's natural repair and regeneration processes. By encouraging collagen synthesis, glycoproteins help to improve skin elasticity and firmness. Additionally, they have soothing properties that can calm and reduce inflammation, making them ideal for sensitive or irritated skin.
Peptides are short chains of amino acids, the building blocks of proteins. In skincare, peptides are crucial for stimulating collagen production, which is vital for maintaining the skin's structure and elasticity. By promoting collagen synthesis, peptides can help minimize the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles, giving the skin a smoother and more youthful look. Different types of peptides offer various benefits, such as enhancing skin barrier function, reducing pigmentation, and supporting overall skin health.
Antioxidants are compounds that protect the skin from free radicals, the harmful molecules that can damage skin cells and lead to premature aging. Snail mucin contains a variety of antioxidants such as vitamins A and E, which neutralize free radicals and prevent oxidative stress. Regular use of antioxidants can help to maintain a more youthful complexion, reduce the signs of aging, and shield the skin from environmental aggressors like UV rays and pollution.
So, what can snail mucin do for our skin? Let's explore its incredible benefits. 1. Hydration and moisture boost. Snail mucin is an excellent humectant, meaning it can attract and retain moisture in your skin. This leads to intense hydration, leaving your skin looking plump, soft, and supple. Say goodbye to dry and flaky skin.
2. Skin repair and regeneration. The high concentration of glycoproteins and peptides in snail mucin helps stimulate collagen production, which is essential for skin repair and regeneration. It can help fade scars, reduce fine lines, and even out skin tone.
3. Anti-aging properties. The antioxidants present in snail mucin combat free radicals, protecting your skin from premature aging. Regular use can result in a reduction of fine lines, wrinkles, and age spots, giving you a more youthful appearance.
4. Soothing and calming. Snail mucin contains anti-inflammatory properties that soothe and calm irritated skin. This makes it an excellent ingredient for individuals with sensitive or acne-prone skin, as it can help reduce redness and inflammation.
Now that you're aware of the amazing benefits, you might be wondering how to include snail mucin in your daily skincare routine. Here are some tips. 1. Cleanser. Look for snail mucin infused cleansers to start your routine with a gentle and hydrating cleanse.
2. Serums. Serums with snail mucin are highly concentrated and ideal for targeting specific skin concerns. Put a few drops on your face and neck after cleansing.
3. Moisturizers. Moisturizers that contain snail mucins help lock in moisture and keep your skin hydrated throughout the day.
4. Sheet masks. Treat yourself to a snail mucin sheet mask once or twice a week for an extra nourishing and rejuvenating boost.
And there you have it, the amazing benefits that snail mucin can do for our skin and why it captured the interests of skincare enthusiasts around the world. Its natural and effective properties make it suitable for various skin types and concerns.
If you found our video helpful, please give it a like, and don't forget to share, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell to get notified whenever we upload a new video. Thanks for watching and see you next time.